Hey guys, look at these cute animals! Their homes and their favorite foods. Tastes differ, it's true. Oh no! The food and homes are gone! The animals are gone too! What if we draw them to help them come back? We'll play a game. I'll be drawing, and you'll try to guess what animal it is. But I'll give you some hints, of course. This animal, for example, can jump super far. And it loves nuts. We'll use orange to color its fur. By the way, some of these animals change the color of their fur in summer and winter. They use their bushy tails for balance and communicating with their friends. They flick it, they twitch it, and they use it to take different postures. I'll use some yellow for the face. A bit of brown. And some pink. More brown for a few finishing touches. Look, it's a squirrel, guys! Did you guess correctly?
Yay!
Next, this animal lives in the forest. Some of these animals sleep in the winter in their cozy dens. They can climb trees really well. And they're great at swimming too. Let's use brown to color this animal's fur. By the way, these animals come in different colors. They can be brown, black, and even white. They have a nose better than a dog's. It helps them find yummy food like berries or fish. And what food is yummy for you? I love ice cream and pizza. We can use some yellow too. It'll look great with brown. Oh look, it's a bear. I think you knew it, right?
Yes!
The next animal. This time, it's a bird. These birds are smart, social, and can even dream, almost like we do. We'll need some yellow to color it. This bird can recognize and remember more than 100 different faces. Its memory is definitely better than mine. These birds also use many different sounds to talk to each other. How about some brown to make it even prettier? I'll also use orange for the feet and some red for the comb. The beak is gonna be yellow. Yay, we got it! A chicken!
Yay!
Moving on, this tiny animal can jump almost 3 times its own height. It can also hear very well, even super quiet sounds. Fun fact, its front teeth never stop growing, so it has to chew on different things to keep them short. We'll need gray for the fur. This animal is mostly active at night, when you sleep. It leaves its home and goes to look for food, like cheese. Its home is usually a soft nest in some quiet spot. Let's make these cute ears pink. The paws and the tail too. We did it! It's a mouse! Let's continue. This animal actually doesn't really like mice. It can also see 6 times better in the dark than we can. These animals sleep a lot, half a day or even more. Real sleepyheads. Let's use this pretty gray color for the fur. Do you already know what animal it is? Many people keep them as pets. Their purring can make you feel relaxed. How about a darker shade of gray here? It looks nice. A bit of pink. Oops, almost forgot about the whiskers. What do we have here? A cat. Our next animal lives on the farm. It eats grass and gives us milk. This animal can make friends and even has best friends. It also has 4 stomachs to break down all the plants it eats. These animals love to run, jump, and play fight. They can sleep standing up, but lie down for deep sleep. I bet you know this amazing animal. Let's use pink to color its ears and muzzle. I'll also add some yellow. Got it! It's a cow!
Yay!
Many people love this next animal. It has a super strong sense of smell. This animal loves to play and run around. It can also learn lots of tricks, like sit and fetch. It wags its tail to show it's happy. I'll use brown for its fur. If this animal tilts its head, it means it's curious. It also dreams when it sleeps, just like we do. This animal loves belly rubs, cuddles, and being petted. Let's use a darker shade of brown now. It makes the picture even prettier. Woohoo! It's a dog, guys! Do you have a pet dog?
Yeah!
And one more animal. This little guy lives in the forest. Such long ears helps this animal hear really well. It loves to hop and can jump very high. Let's use gray to color some of its fur. Wow, looks so pretty! I'll add a bit of pink too. So, what's this animal? Right, it's a rabbit.
Yay!
Well, all the animals are back. Now let's find their homes and food. This is a doghouse. What animal lives there? What do you think? Maybe it's the cat? Definitely not. The bear? Wrong. How about the dog? That's right. Oh, we've got some food. Carrots. What animal likes carrots? Perhaps it's the bear? No. How about the chicken? It doesn't like carrots. How about the rabbit? Yes, we got it right. Whoa, look at this cute pillow. What animal does it belong to? Maybe the mouse? Wrong. Could it be the cow? The pillow is too small. How about the cat? Yes, it's the cat's pillow. We've got some grass here. What animal eats grass? Could it be the squirrel? Nope. How about the bear? Wrong. How about the cow? That's correct. Look at this burrow. What animal lives inside? Is it the bear? Definitely not. Maybe the chicken? I don't think so. Can it be the mouse? That's right. What animal likes honey? I think it might be the squirrel. No? Maybe it's the cat? Wrong. How about the bear? Bear loves honey. This is a chicken coop. Would that be a good home for the squirrel? No. And for the chicken? For sure. It's an acorn. What animal eats acorns? Maybe it's the dog? No. Then probably the squirrel? That's right. We've got milk. What animal drinks milk? The chicken? It doesn't like milk. Perhaps the dog? Wrong. How about the cat? Yes, it loves milk. Look, it's a cowshed. Does the bear live in there? No. Could it be the cow? That's right. It's a hole, and it's pretty small. Maybe the squirrel lives there? No, it doesn't. How about the rabbit? Yes, that's where it lives. We've got some yummy bones. What animal eats them? Maybe the chicken? Definitely not. How about the mouse? Wrong. Maybe it's the dog's food? Yes, it is. Now, how about grain? Does the chicken like grain? Yes. Wow, we've got a hole in a tree next. Does the bear live there? No. Perhaps it's the squirrel's home. Right. Cheese. Yummy. Does the mouse eat cheese? Absolutely. And finally, we've got a den. Does the bear live there? Yes, it's the bear's home. Guys, good job! We did it! Bye-bye, friends! See you soon!